Hey everybody, this is Tony Blatton, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now we're at a duplex on the southwest end of Canton, Ohio. Right now I'm just waiting on my contractors to get here to give me an estimate on the repairs. I imagine we're going to do a full remodel on this if the numbers make sense. So really I want to make this video to those out there who are investors. Maybe you are currently investing in stocks, cash accounts like CDs. Maybe you're invested in bonds. So rather than get a 1 to 5% return on those investments, give us a call because we may have a solution for you where you could actually make, anywhere between 10 to 15, even 20% by investing in real estate. So if that's something that might interest you, give us a call, 330-685-2220.